I had not been there long when in came a big bruiser. Bruiser means strong and heavy set of a boy, probably 18 years old. See, I means the writer William Douglas had not been there long. It means to say he stayed there, he sat there for a short time. When in came a big bruiser. Bruiser means strong and heavy set of a boy. A, a strong boy came who had heavy set of body, like bodybuilder. See, such type of boy. Here you see rippling muscles. The boy who came had rippling muscles like this. See, like this. See the sentence. I had not been I had not been there long when in came a big bruiser. Bruiser is strong and heavy set of a boy. A boy who had strong and heavy set of body. Probably 18 years old. Probably he was 18 years old. He had thick hair on his chest. The boy had thick hair on his chest. He was a beautiful physical specimen. He was a beautiful physical specimen with legs and arms that showed rippling muscles. See, such type of muscles are called rippling muscles. The boy had such type of muscles. He was a beautiful physical specimen with legs and arms that showed rippling muscles. He yelled, "Hi, skinny." He called the writer skinny because at the time the writer was a small boy, he was very thin. I would like to be ducked. Duck means dipped, or you can say thrown into water. How would you like to be ducked, to be dipped, or you can say thrown into water? The boy asked the writer how he would like to be dipped or thrown into the water. With that, he picked me. Me means the writer. Saying this, the big boy, picked me means the writer and picked me up. With that, he means the boy, big boy, picked me up. The boy picked the writer up and tossed, and he tossed the writer into the deep end, and he tossed the boy tossed the writer into the deep end where the pool was very deep. I landed and the writer landed. In land means here fell down. Fell down into the pool in a sitting position. Because he was sitting in the same position, he landed into the water. Swallowed water. He swallowed water and went at once to the bottom of the pool. And directly he went to the bottom of the pool. I was frightened. The writer was frightened. He was afraid. Actually, he was already afraid of the water, but now suddenly he was thrown into the water. That's why his fear was double. I was frightened, but not yet frightened out of my bits. Bits mean intelligence. He was frightened, but still his mind was working. Still, his mind was working. He was in sense. What to do, what what not to do. On the way down, when he was going downward, I planned, the writer planned. When my feet hit the bottom, he thought, when his feet hit the bottom, I would make a big jump. He would make a big jump upward. Come to the surface, and he would come to the surface. Lie flat, he would lie flat on it and paddle, and he would paddle to the edge, means to the side of the pool, and he would paddle to come to the edge, to the side of the pool. It seemed a long way down. When the writer was going down into the water of the pool, it seemed a very long way for the writer. Those 9 feet were more like 90. Those 9 feet seemed to be more than 90, because it was very hard for the writer to take breath. He was struggling for breath, he was struggling for life. And before I touched bottom, my lungs were ready to burst. And before I, means the writer, touched bottom, is the bottom of the pool, my lungs, his lungs were ready to burst. He felt that his lungs were ready to burst, because it was very hard for him to take breath. But when my feet hit bottom, but when the writer's feet hit the bottom, I summoned. Summoned means gathered. The writer gathered all my strength, all his strength. He gathered all his strength, stamina, and energy, and made what I thought was a great spring. Spring means jump upwards, and with all energy, stamina, he made a great jump upwards. I imagined I would bob. Bob means move up to the surface like a cork. He imagined, the writer imagined that he would bob, he would move up to the surface like a cork. You might have seen, if you try to dip a cork will come upward to the surface. It will float on the surface of the water. In the same way, the writer thought that after coming up to the surface, he would float on the surface. But this did not happen. Instead, in place of it, I came up slowly, because he came up slowly. That's why he was not able to float on the surface of the water. See in the picture, there is a cork and it is floating on the surface of the water. The writer also imagined that he would come up to the surface of the water and would float on it like a cork.